All right, y'all, I'm back. Look how cute these are with little pumpkins and straw bales. I decided I needed another straw bale so I could kind of create a pathway for people, mostly Amazon delivery drivers, but I wanted to create a pathway. I was tired of people just like not walking through the corn stalks like I envisioned, so I figured let me lay it out for them. This is where you need to be walking. And then I decided pathway lights would probably be a good idea too. So these have been chilling in the garage and they worked out perfectly for what I need them for. So this is how it looks at night. I would love to hear your thoughts. Go ahead and leave them in the comments. Tell me, is this good? Was this a good addition? Should I add more? Is this enough? Am I done? I don't know if I'll ever be done, but what do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to read them.